In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to win the emoji game on Instagram direct message. So Instagram recently added Emoji Pong, a fun hidden mini game inside Instagram DMs where you can bounce emojis back and forth like ping pong. Here's exactly how to find, play and win the game. All you have to need to start playing the game, go to your Instagram and go to direct message and just go to the chat in which chat you want to play the emoji ping game. Tap on the message and from your keyboard select emoji, and you can select any emoji, just send an emoji in the chat or conversation. Once the emoji sent, tap on the emoji for once and we can see the emoji game successfully started. In the game, here we can see a paddle appears at the bottom of the screen. So this is the paddle. All you have to need, tap left or right to move and hit the emoji just like this. And you can play solo for practice or challenge a friend. Whoever drops first loses. And now to win the Emoji Pong game, don't spam taps. Tap only when the emoji is near your paddle. Hitting too early makes it bounce off angle. And the emoji gets faster every bounce. So start slow, then adjust your rhythm as it speeds up. Try to anticipate where it will land next. That's how you'll be able to just play and win the game. Thanks for watching.